Hey, Speakerface here. Trying the 330 here.
330 grain.
330 grain.
With the 500 Magnum.
I've got plenty of experience with using my strong wrists. Oh. I guess we're going with the bigger first.
Billy, show him how to put it back.
No, we're going strong.
All right. All right. There's the
You got to do the adjustment.
All right.
put the weaker one in, stronger one to the right.
Yep.
Then rotate the cylinder so that when it closes, it's past where you want to go.
Open. Okay.
There. Oh, there. So now see, you got open, and then when you cock it, it's going to roll it right in.
And yeah, okay.
First time with the 500 Magnum.
Are you recording it?
Of course.
All right. Are you recording it?
Of course.
All right. First time with the 500 Magnum.
Second time.
Speakerface. Impact remodeling. Let's go. It does have some thump in there. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm not accurate as I could be, but
Nice.
we'll get there.
Nothing, huh? Nope.
It was something though, wasn't it?
No.
You square up like a linebacker, push through it. Oh, that last round. It's a good one.
What do you think?
I like it. There's some power.
That's it.
It's close-up power, but there's power. It's close-up power, but there's power.